Hi guys, what's up? So I haven't wrapped my Love Doctor glasses in a while. Right now I'm heading out to get some lunch. I'm gonna get some. I shouldn't eat rice. Trainer said that I shouldn't eat rice. I should cut rice completely out of my diet. But today I'm gonna eat some rice. I'm gonna have some rice and peas and chicken with some curry goat gravy and like some lemonade for drinks. That's my lunch for today. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna go get it. Today was leg day again. Yesterday was leg day. It was brutal, and today was even more so brutal because I played football yesterday evening. Yeah, I didn't have anybody to record me playing, but it was beautiful under the lights. Playing football. It was a beautiful evening yesterday. I really enjoyed it, and I was really tired. My legs were beat out because I went to the gym in the morning, did the brutal leg day session, and then played football last night, and then this morning again did another leg day session again, a brutal leg day session. So my legs right now are shaking, they're trembling, they're giving up. I'm gonna eat some food and then come back and just rest. Yeah, but I like the gym. I like tomorrow I'm going again. Hopefully tomorrow is arm day. If not, and it's leg day, I'm ready for it. I'm ready for anything. I'm just gonna get some rest today and rest tonight. Yeah. And ladies, comment down below. Do I look sexy in my glasses? If I come up to you and say, hey, can I get your number? Hi, my name is Aleko. I really like to take you on a date. Can I get your number? Will you give me a number? Or not? Let me know in the comments. Okay, ladies? If you have ladies watching. Yeah. I'm going. So this is where I'm getting lunch, guys. I forgot the name of the place. I think it's Sonia's. Something like that. Sonia's. What is the next name again? I don't remember. I think it's Lana's. See it out there. So Lana's. So Sonia's is the next place. This is Lana's. So I'm at Lana's getting lunch, okay? Yeah, so I got my lunch and I'm heading back home now. The lady that was serving me was talking to me real nice. And I guess it was I think it was because of my Love Doctor glasses. She never really talked to me so nice, Yeah. So I'm kind of feeling myself in my Love Doctor glasses, okay? Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm heading on the road right now. It's Wednesday night, but sometimes you have to go out and go get a drink. A Long Island iced tea or something crazy like that. You dig? New shirt, new polo tee, and I wear this suit before already, but you don't know. It's just I'm just gonna go to TGIF right there. This is a new shirt though, a new polo tee, same black Air Forces, and this gray pants here. I wore this before. I even have a picture on the gram with this kind of fit, but it is whatever. I have like 9 of these polo tees. Black polo tee with the polo right here. I got like 9 of them. Yeah. So yeah, I'm outside. Trouble. Forward from the gym on Friday. Doing a nice little burnout sesh. A whole lot of curls with the 35s. Yeah. And some tricep dips, some kickbacks, some pull-ups, some bench press. It's a lot of work today, but I'm feeling good. Just gonna have some lunch now. Time is 11:21. And just chill, take a easy day, easy as usual. Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm at the National Stadium. I'm gonna attend a basketball game right now. Yeah. Got the tickets. Yeah guys, I'm at the basketball game. It's a vibe. I'm enjoying myself. Watching the game come up here though. Go for the three. It's shot. Oh. Rock it on board. these guys not the best of players, but still is entertaining, you know. After this, when I get out of here, probably go have a drink. Long Island iced tea. I don't know. The barber took off all of my beard. I'm not a Rasta man no more. That's crazy. Yeah, so back in primary school, I used to play basketball, you know. But I couldn't use the ball really well. But I could win the ball though. So the coaches back in primary school just tell me to win the ball and just pass it. Yeah, so that was my job. I wasn't a fan of basketball though. I prefer football. I was a footballer. I'm a footballer my whole life. I don't even know the rules in basketball. When am I dribbling or carrying or whatever they call it. I don't know. It's a nice game. Hi guys, what's up? How are you? Right now I'm outside with it. I'm drinking a Long Island iced tea, just chilling. Just to calm nerves, you get me? I'm at TGI, place to be on a Friday night, really Friday evening. Night is still young, still. Maybe I'm going to Ribby's later. Ribby's has been the place to be recently. You heard me? I'm out here, okay? Yeah, right now I'm nice. And I'm halfway there, you know? Long Island is nothing to play with. I'm telling you, there's a photo shoot going on right there. Can you see? Yeah, so I'm in an elevator right now going up, 7th floor. You heard me? It's one of them nice apartments in Kingston. Come link up one of my bros. One of the broskies. You heard me? I'll give you a tour of the apartment so you can see. And the pool and all of that, okay? Beautiful city lights. Students out over there. Yeah, some of the boat. This nice, beautiful apartment here. You want to get a tour? I can give you a tour. Let me give you a tour, but hold off for a second. Right here's I feel nice and light. You know, I don't know if it's the how them decorate the place or them design, but right here feel nice and light. So over here you got a crystal ball right here. Like I can read your fortune and tell you your future. You did? What do you want to say? A nice little balcony. Balcony. It's closed. As you can see, it's a nice little balcony. Back I spam balcony. Right now. No, I'm right free. Yeah, place is nice place, you get me? You know more, let me forget a nicer place down with me there. I want to get a nicer place than where I'm at. But it's going to be really, really expensive and I'm not trying to waste no money because I got goals. Yeah. I feel that maybe if I get a way nicer place, I can tackle life more effectively. I'm not sure yet though. We'll see what happens.